to another Ashawo boys quarter, abi?
I don't understand.
So why you don't want to give your life to Christ? He says give your life to Christ now. They said the only thing violence is take it by force. So. Give your life to Christ.
Violence take it by
Yes. No, leave me. Oh. I'm giving my life to Christ. I'm not taking anything by force. Leave me.
Oh.
I'm giving my life to Christ.
I know you come.
No.
Come.
No.
Come.
No.
I want you to take it by force.
I'm not taking anything.
Come.
Hey, people help me. Oh.
Come.